lifted the flame. Sisters of Allah, Igbo lifting our name. From 2010, a vision was born in hearts of women, mighty and strong. Lọlọ Oluchi, your dream still stands, a legacy built with sweat and grace. Now shines in every Igbo face. Njikoka, Njikoka, together we rise, no power can stop us. Our culture, our pride, we shine like the sun. Igbo woman in Finland, we stand as one. Njikoka, Njikoka, rooted in love and strength and in honor. From east to the north, our voices ring high. Under one banner, we soar through the sky. Lọlọ Juliet, our cheerleading bride, guiding our union with wisdom and light. Jovita stands with numbers so true, vice chair and scribe of all that we do. Hope knows whose words and minutes live on, and Theodora counts what we build upon. Imelda, how my joy spreads every tale. Our voice in Finland will never fail. We remember the roots, the women who dreamed, who stitched our beginnings in every sea. We are mothers, daughters, sisters, and queens, carrying culture in everything we see. With children in hand and heads held high, we teach them Igbo identity, never deny. From east to Helsinki, we wear it with pride. In every ululation, our spirits abide. White sisters have joined and brothers support. Together